When you choose a multi-split air conditioning system, you should know that not all models of indoor units are compatible. In what follows, we present the models of indoor wall units that are compatible. Artcool Gallery, MA09R and MA12R. Attention, only these models. In the single-split range there are A09FT and A12FT, also Artcool Gallery units, but which are not compatible with multi-split systems. Artcool Mirror, AM07BK, AC09BK, AC12BK, AC18BK and AC24BK. Artcool Color, AB09BK, AB12BK, AB18BK and AB24BK. Under the Artcool range, in the single-split range we also have the Prestige and Deluxe hypermodels, FMT and HCRK. These are single-split only, they are not compatible. Let's continue. Air Purification, AP09RK, AP12RK. Deluxe, DM07RK, DC09RK, DC12RK, DC18RK and DC24RK. Note that some models have the letter M in the code, AM07BK or DM07RK. They are intended only for multi-split systems. We will see further on with the prefix M as the first letter as well. Deluxe 2, DC09RT, DC12RT. Standard Plus, PM05SK, PM07SK. Notice the letter M, this means they are only for multi-split. Then PC12SK, PM15SK only multi-split, PC18SK and PC24SK. Standard 2, MS07ET, also M, S09ET, S12ET, S18ET and S24ET. Standard models with SQ are not compatible. A model that you cannot find in the single split is the Standard Specialty, the MJ model. It is not compatible with single split, but in addition to compatibility with the multi-split system, it is also compatible with commercial outdoor units. MJ05PC, MJ07PC, MJ09PC, MJ12PC, MJ15PC, MJ18PC, MJ24PC. Of these, the models compatible with commercial outdoor units are only those of 9, 12, 18 and 24,000 BTU per hour. And now you know.